Hello wonderful people, welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and to my returning subscriber, thank you, I so much appreciate. Today's video I'm sharing with you the perfect and easy way to cook your fried rice. I bet you on this recipe, try it out. Everyone around you will never stop asking for more, honestly. But before then, let me show you the list of ingredients needed for this recipe. So here we're going to be needing some mixed bell pepper, the yellow, green and red. Some eggs, you can use as much as you want. Stock water. Some coconut milk, but this is optional.
Whatever it might be.
Chopped onions,
I got your back on
curry powder and some crayfish,
MIRA'S kitchen.
ginger and garlic paste, seasoning cubes and salt, some peppers and homemade paprika powder, mixed vegetables, and finally I have my rice. I started by adding some salt, some boiled water, enough, yeah. I gave it a properly stir, cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give it a properly wash and set aside. Next, in a preheated pot, I added some coconut oil. Vegetable oil, so I mixed both, but you can as well use any of them. It is how you prefer, and allow to heat up. Now the oil is done heating up, I added some salt, chopped onions and saute for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I added the ginger and garlic paste and give it a proper stir. I went ahead and added in some rosemary and thyme and keep stirring. So here I added some curry powder and keep stirring. Some minutes later, I poured in the washed rice and mixed until it is well combined. As you can see here, I am done mixing. The color was super good. Machine, yeah. So I added some stock water. Now went ahead and add in the coconut milk. So I went ahead to spice it up with some seasoning cubes, my homemade paprika powder. You can watch the full video on this channel. So the next, I added the fresh pepper at your taste, some crayfish, mix to combine. I added little water to it. Feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings just the way you are seeing here. So mix to combine. Once that is done, cover the pot and let it cook until the water dries up or the rice is well cooked. While that is cooking, in a preheated pan, I added some vegetable oil and allowed to heat up. Then I poured in the egg and fry. Once done, I scoop it out and set it aside.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey, Mira's kitchen dey for you.
As you can see, the egg is done. Yeah, so in the same frying pan, I'll be melting in some little butter. Once the butter is well melted, I added the mixed vegetables and keep mixing and stirring for about 2 minutes. Yeah, this butter give it the shiny look. So next I added the mixed bell pepper, the red, green and yellow. Do you see how colorful it looks? So at this point, I went ahead to season it up a bit with some season cubes,
Dey for you, dey for put call we active.
curry powder, mix to combine and keep stirring for another 2 more minutes. After that, set it aside. Now back to the rice. As you can see, the rice is well cooked and dried up. Yeah. So what I did next was to add in the mixed vegetables. You can see it, right? Add the fried eggs. But if you don't want to stir fry your vegetables with butter, you can as well use vegetable oil, okay? Feel free to add your butter at this point. Keep stirring for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, our rice is done and ready. The type of aroma coming up from this kitchen, you cannot resist it, honestly. Try this recipe out and thank me later. It tasted so super delicious and I enjoyed mine with some grilled chicken. Hope you try out this recipe. If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section. The full list will be dropped in the description box below. Remain blessed. Thank you for watching. Bye.